Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. We are getting ready to make crab rangoon. It's an all-time favorite of many, and this particular time I'm doing the recipe because it's a subscriber request. So let's get busy. So we have all of our ingredients here, guys, and because this is a subscriber request, I'm only just going to make a very small amount because I just want to show them exactly how to make it as well as you guys. So right here we have about 2 ounces of softened cream cheese. Here we have some crab meat that has been diced very, very small, if you can see that, because you don't want big chunks in there. You need wonton wrappers. Wonton wrappers. They're just small, square wonton wrappers. You're going to need a little soy sauce, a little garlic powder, and oil for frying. So the first thing we're going to do is get all of our ingredients mixed together. Let's set this oil aside. And like I said, we have softened cream cheese here. You want it softened so you can blend in your crab meat. Put your crab meat in there. It just takes a couple of shakes of soy sauce, so you don't want too much. Just really a couple of shakes. And again, as usual, we will taste this, and just a couple of shakes of garlic powder. Okay, so you want to blend all this together really, really well. And this is what's going to create our filling for our crab rangoon. Just mixing it together, guys. Okay. Now I'm going to taste it right quick to see if I have enough garlic and that hint of soy sauce. So let me just taste a little corner here. I think I'm going to go in with just another drop of soy sauce. Not much at all. Okay guys, so this is our filling. You can see it up close. And now we are just going to get our oil heated up and we'll be ready to show you how to put them in the wrappers and get them fried up. Okay guys, so I am going to show you how to actually fill these. You're going to need a little bit of water for sealing them. Make sure your counter is nice and clean. I just cleaned my counter off. So you want to take one wrapper, and you're going to need 2 spoons or something for this. So you want to just take a little bit, not very much, put it right down in the center. Right down in the center. Then you take a little dab of water on each of these corners here. And after you do this, you're going to want to wipe off your counter so that it won't be wet for the next ones. Lift the 2 corners up, either 2, bring them in, and bring the other corners in. And once you bring the corners in, you want to pinch, and they stick together, and that's the way we're going to fry them. And that's it, guys. Yes. So I'm going to show you another one just to make sure you guys get it. Put your filling right in the center. Dab your corners. Wipe your hands off if they're too wet. Fold 2 corners in. Bring the other one up. Bring this one up and pinch them all together. And there you have it. There you have it. The nice little pockets that we are so familiar with as crab rangoon. So I'm going to bang these other 4 out, then we'll get them all fried up. Okay, our oil is nice and hot, so we're just going to sit them in here one by one. They only take a few minutes to cook. Probably flip them over once. And that's it, guys. These will be all done. All done. Yes, just takes a few seconds. As long as your oil is good and hot, you're good to go. Yes. Just kind of move them around a little bit in there. Keep them floating. And as soon as they start to turn golden brown, we can take them out. Okay guys, I think these are ready to come out. Yes, look at that, nice and golden brown. Can you see that up close? Yes. Okay. We're going to get these all out and we'll be right back. Okay guys, look at that, delicious. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Beautiful, beautiful crab rangoon, nice and crispy, guys. Nice and crispy. Guys, thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. And yes, we're doing our taste test. Letting it just cool for a minute. But guys, look how nice and crispy that is. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Can you see that, guys? Awesome. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, so I'm going to break this open a little bit because it is piping hot. Oh, see the inside there? Hear that crunch? Did you hear the crunch? Yes. See, guys, look at the inside. Awesome and amazing. Yes. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Crispy crunch texture. Pair this with some pork fried rice, some stir fry, anything. Just have it as a snack. Sometimes I've cooked egg rolls. Guys, check out my egg roll recipe. I've cooked egg rolls and crab rangoon. That was it. That was dinner, guys. The flavor of the filling. You can taste the crab, a little hint of the soy sauce, and the garlic all mixed together. Simply amazing. Simply amazing. Guys, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Share this video out. And don't forget those comments, guys. Don't forget those comments. I love reading those comments and answering and talking back and forth to you guys. And if you ever have any questions about anything I make, ask away, guys. Ask away. Guys, I'm going to finish this up. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise. Simply amazing. Yes.